Hey guys, my name is Rihanna and welcome to my channel. This hair is from the Makiti store on Amazon and it comes in this box. It also comes with eyelashes, 2 wig caps, and an additional comb and strap. Now this is their 20-inch 4x4 lace closure wig. The wig is a natural black color, 150% density, and is virgin human hair. The hair itself is soft and has brown streaks throughout, but the hair was shedding a little while I was running my fingers through it. And the wig has a lot of split ends and flyaways. The ends of the hair look decent, but I can tell that the hair is on the thinner side. This is what the closure looks like. It's the light brown Swiss lace. It has a total of 4 combs with adjustable straps in the back of the wig. The hair also doesn't have much of a smell, and before I put the wig on, I'm going to flat iron it. And my flat irons are on 410 degrees, and while flat ironing the wig I noticed a few strings were in the hair and I just pulled them out. Then I put my wig cap and the wig on and adjusted it to my liking, and it fit my head pretty nicely. Next, I cut the lace. Then I use this Got2b Ultra Glue Gel to glue the front of the wig down. After that, I use Style Factor Edge Booster and my edge brush to do my edges. And then I use this Maybelline Fit Me foundation on my part, and the color is Mocha Mocha. I also put a little edge control around my part to tame any flyaways. And then I tie my hair down with a scarf. So I think this wig looks good on me. The hair also seems pretty true to length, maybe even a bit longer, and it has a nice shine to it. I also think my part came out really well, and I didn't pluck it or anything. All I did was put the foundation on it. And the hair looks fairly natural, but thin. But the hair does start to clump together if you wear it throughout the day, so I'd keep a comb handy. And let me know what you guys thought of this wig. And thanks so much for watching. See you next time.